The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Intercoastal City to Cameron-La 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Lower Atchafalaya River to Intercoastal City, Louisiana, 20 nautical miles, waters from Intercoastal City to Cameron, Louisiana from 20 to 60 nautical miles, waters from Lower Atchafalaya River to Intercoastal City, Louisiana from 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Vermilion 131, or 28 nautical miles southwest of Marsh Island, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include South Marsh Island 239, South Marsh Island 249, Eugene Island 24, South Marsh Island 268, South Marsh Island 236, Vermilion 131, Eugene Island 28,
I don't think this is about to be a doubleheader. This might be a doubleheader. I don't know.
Eugene Island 95. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.